Understanding depth of despair, a guide to emotional expression in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very expressive phrase in the English language, depth of despair. This phrase is rich with emotion and can be a powerful tool in both your spoken and written English. Understanding phrases like these will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English expressions. The phrase, depth of despair, is used to describe a state of extreme sadness or hopelessness. When we break it down, depth refers to the measurement from the top to the bottom of something, but here, it's used metaphorically to signify how intense or severe the feeling is. Despair means a complete loss of hope, a feeling when someone is so discouraged and downhearted that they can't see any positive side. So, when combined, depth of despair illustrates not just ordinary sadness but an overwhelming level of distress, where a person feels utterly hopeless or in a state of profound misery. In writing, this phrase is often found in literature to describe a character's intense emotional turmoil. For example, an author might write, "She sank into the depth of despair after hearing the tragic news," to emphasize the character's acute sorrow. In everyday conversation, in daily conversation, it's used to express one's feelings in a very dramatic or serious manner. For instance, saying, "I was in the depth of despair when I lost my job," conveys a deep level of sadness and hopelessness about the situation. Caution: be mindful of the context and the intensity of the situation when using this phrase, as it denotes a very strong level of sadness. Let's see how depth of despair is used in sentences to better understand its usage and context. 1. After his long-term relationship ended, he found himself in the depth of despair, unable to look forward to the future. 2. The novel vividly describes the protagonist's journey from the depth of despair to a place of hope and redemption. 3. When she failed her final exam, she felt like she had reached the depth of despair. However, her family's support helped her overcome those feelings. Understanding synonyms can enrich your vocabulary and give you alternative ways to express the same feeling. Here are some synonyms for depth of despair: abyss of despair, pits of despair, height of woe, depth of gloom, nadir of sorrow. And that's a wrap on depth of despair. Remember, this phrase is a powerful expression of deep sadness and hopelessness. Use it to convey intense emotional states in your English conversations or writing, but always with the awareness of its strong connotation. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds depth to your understanding of emotional expressions in English. Keep learning, and you'll continue to shine in your language journey.